Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great, and I am back with another video. And in today's video I am gonna be creating Douyin makeup. Douyin. So this makeup is kind of Korean and Chinese makeup which has become so much popular these days. I have been seeing it all over my Instagram, Pinterest and YouTube. So I also wanted to create and see how it looks on my Indian feature. So basically from the images that I found online, this makeup emphasis little bit more on the eyes and also the blush placement and of course the Korean and Chinese lips. This is like very different to what I do on a normal basis, and I don't know guys what to say and how it turns out, but I'm just doing it to have fun, and let's see what's the end result. So let's get started. So for creating this look, first of all I am using this inside concealer palette and taking this green color to hide my redness and acne marks and just blend it with a beauty blender. Now I am using Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade Ivory and just dab with a beauty blender. Alright guys, so next I am applying some concealer, and for that I am using Swiss Beauty concealer, and this concealer is my absolute favorite. So next for the powder I am gonna be using My Glam Super Serum Compact, and I am just going to take this on my sponge and I am gonna applying all over my face and also setting my brows, and I am going to mix this and this shade and apply underneath my eyes. Next I take this shimmer and starting from my inner corner I am taking it all throughout my lower lash line. Now I am taking this shade and applying underneath my eyes and taking this dark brown shade to just darken up. Next I am taking this kajal and applying as eyeliner on the outer corner, and with the help of a smudging brush I am just smudge it out and draw a thin eyeliner. Okay, now just draw a line like that, so it almost look like you have a opening. Now I'm just going to apply white kajal on my waterline and also apply here to create puffy eyes. Now just taking brown shade and create some echo soul. Next I am going to apply some mascara, and that's how I created false lashes with the help of eyeliner. And at last I am applying lashes, and finally I completed with my eye makeup. Now I am slightly contouring my face. Next I am applying blush and I am gonna place it on my cheekbone and especially on the outer corner. Next I am lining my lips with a lip liner and gently fill. Now I am applying this lipstick on the inner part or center of my lips and dab it, and to enhance that cupid bow I am just going to apply this right over there and slightly blend and apply some gloss and dab it, and at last apply some highlighter on my high point. So that's how I completed Douyin makeup, and overall I really like how this makeup turned out. And let me know what do you think about this makeup, and if you enjoy then definitely like, share and subscribe, and I see you in the next time. Till then, bye bye and take care.